BYD, China's biggest EV maker, wants to build a factory in Mexico, but there's a problem. The Chinese government won't approve it. They fear U.S. automakers will get their hands on BYD's advanced technology. BYD has expanded aggressively beyond China, setting up factories in Brazil, Hungary, and Indonesia. It sells EVs across Europe, Asia, and South America. But breaking into North America is complicated. BYD has shipped some models to Mexico, but building a plant there is another story. The Chinese government is blocking it, worried that American automakers could gain access to its technology. Global trade will directly impact what cars you can build and how much they can cost. If you're interested in how automakers make expansion decisions, this is a story to watch. Since 2023, BYD has been working on setting up a factory in Mexico. This facility would help it avoid tariffs and bring its vehicles closer to North American buyers. But Chinese Ministry of Commerce is delaying approval. Their biggest concern? Mexico's proximity to the United States makes it too easy for BYD's technology to fall into American hands. BYD is one of the most advanced EV makers. It builds its own batteries, chips, and software, something even Tesla doesn't do. The Chinese government wants to protect this competitive advantage. Officials worry that if BYD manufactures in Mexico, American companies could gain access to its production process and technology. This issue isn't just about BYD. It's part of a broader trade battle between U.S., China, and Mexico. The U.S. has already accused Mexico of letting Chinese goods enter its market through the backdoor. Meanwhile, Mexico is trying to balance relations with both nations. It has imposed its own tariffs on Chinese products, but still welcomes foreign investment, including from Chinese automakers. If BYD gets approval, there's another challenge: supply chains. BYD relies heavily on parts made in China. If it builds cars in Mexico, many components will still need to be imported. That means extra tariffs and higher costs. Without a strong local supply chain, BYD's Mexican plant may not be as competitive as hoped. BYD hasn't given up on Mexico, but its plans are on hold. Other Chinese EV makers like Zeekr and Neta are also looking at Mexico but face similar hurdles. The trade battle isn't cooling down, and every move is being scrutinized by governments on all sides. BYD's struggle to expand highlights how trade wars shape the auto industry. As competition heats up, Chinese EV makers face growing resistance. This isn't just about one factory. It's about the future of the global EV market. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll see you in the next episode.